Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So we are driving after 15 centimeters of snow, which is probably around 6 to 7 inches or so. I think we got anywhere from 15 to 20 centimeters overnight. I did post, or I will be posting another video of me just taking the car out first thing in the morning after all that snow. So check that out if you haven't already. And right now, myself and my daughter are going to run a couple errands. What are we doing, Keeks?
We're gonna go buy gloves and get Mr. Puff.
Yeah, so gloves for school because I feel like we've lost a couple pairs. And Mr. Puffs, if you don't know what it is, you're missing out because it is a fantastic dessert. And we all kind of got a sugar craving, so we're gonna go pick up some Mr. Puffs. But more importantly, I'm just trying to show you how the car is handling in the snow. For the most part, it does really well. And you know, there is some slipping for sure, and you do feel the back wheels kind of fishtailing a little bit. Nowhere close to. I've driven, you know, gas cars, rear-wheel drive gas cars, and it's nowhere close to the type of control that this Tesla Model Y has, right? And again, this is the standard range. So I am extremely impressed, and I have zero issues taking it out on days like this because I'm pretty confident behind the wheel. I'm not nervous driving this car at all. So just wanted to give you guys some real life views here on how it handles. And that was interesting because I wanted to try it on a slope, and you could see the torque, like, you know, it's so packed with torque that I don't think these little hills are any competition for the Model Y. So I am going to take this turn a little bit slow here because it just looks extremely icy and snowy regardless of what car you're driving. So there you go, we've looped around and we are heading back home for our Mr. Puffs. And I know if you guys don't know what Mr. Puffs are, I'll definitely put a picture of that when I'm editing this video, but it is a piece of heaven, let me tell you that much. Alright guys, well thank you for tuning in. I hope this answered a lot of questions that you may have had about winter driving. As you can see, these are typical winter conditions that we have to drive in Montreal, which gets hit pretty hard. It's very comparable to, I guess, the northeast of the U.S., Ontario, Quebec, and elsewhere. So I hope this kind of extinguished or helped extinguish some of the fears that you may have had on the Model Y standard range. And I'll try to do as many other videos as I possibly can to answer any questions. So again, if you guys want to see anything specific, and I know some of you guys are doing this already, please leave it in the comments. I'll try my best to do a video around it. Even this drive, was a request, and I've done 2 drives already, 24 hours later. All right, guys. Well, thank you for tuning in.